luxury sedan or coupe. BMW 420i, convertible, two-door, guys. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that beautiful. Amazing, guys. Wow, luxury sedan. Ford Panamera 4S, guys. Beautiful. Wow, another beautiful ultra wide luxury sedan. Sedans Maybach S580, guys. Wow, look at that beauty. Amazing. Wow, ultra luxury sedan, guys. The BMW 740i 2026 model, followed by the LX600. Amazing. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, another great wild luxury sedan, Mercedes C-Class CLA45S, guys. Wow, with the right calipers, unbelievably beautiful, guys. Oh, wow, another wild luxury sedan, guys. The Mercedes CLA45S. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at it. Wow, another beautiful luxury sedan. Mercedes CLA45. Wow, with the blue calipers. Nice, guys. Wow, guys, another beautiful wild luxury sedan. Mercedes CLA45, guys. Wow. Amazing. Wow, guys, another ultra luxury SUV. Ultra luxury sedan. All new BMW 740 Li. Nice. Wow, and ultra luxury sedan. Xiaomi Suzuvan Max or Suzuvan Pro, guys. Beautiful, beautiful luxury sedan, guys. Honda City. Nice. Wow, beautiful BYD luxury sedan, guys. Wow. Nice. Wow, guys, another beautiful ultra luxury sedan. BMW i3 e-drive, guys. Amazing. Wow, another ultra luxury sedan. Sedans. Beautiful. Over there, another beautiful wild luxury sedan, guys. Mercedes S-Class Maybach Edition S580. Wow, another beautiful ultra luxury sedan, guys. Yeah, with that 12. Wow. Got a beauty, guys. Beautiful wheel with a beautiful design. Another great wild luxury sedan, fully electric sedan. It's your BYD Han EV. Nice. Wow, another great SUV, Sedans GLS 450, guys. Another luxury. Wow, over there, another luxury sedan. The Mercedes C300, guys. Nice. Another great, beautiful, wild luxury sedan, guys. BMW i3 e-drive, new model, fully electric BMW sedan. Nice. Over there, another great luxury sedan, guys. It's kind of a crossover between a sedan SUV, but I'd rather call it a sedan. Tesla Model Y, gorgeous black color. Wow, over there on the other side, another great luxury sedan. The BMW i3 e-drive. Wow. Look at that beauty, guys. Gorgeous navy blue color. Wow, another beautiful ultra luxury SUV, guys. A gorgeous Volvo XC70, guys. Nice. Wow, we have another great ultra luxury sedan, Mercedes S-Class S580, guys. Amazing. Wow, we have another great ultra luxury sedan, the Avatar 12, fully electric sedan, guys. Wow, guys, another great luxury sedan with new wheels, guys. Wow. And over here's another one. Avatar 06. I consider this as a sedan, guys. Wow, beautiful, guys. Nice, beautiful luxury sedan, guys. BYD CL45. Amazing. Another great luxury sedan, guys. Honda Civics. Beautiful. Wow, guys, another luxury sedan, Tesla Model 3, guys. Wow, guys, we have beautiful luxury SUV, fully electric Tesla Model Y, guys. Nice. Followed by another SUV. Wow, guys, with that other side is another Maybach S580, guys. Beautiful. Nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side is this beautiful ultra wild luxury sedan, the Mercedes Maybach S500, guys, new models. Wow, beautiful.